Hi everyone, thanks for watching. For today's video, I'm doing a review of my new hair tool. It's the Revlon one-step hair dryer, and I wanted to show you how I achieved this super quick and easy salon quality blowout just with this one hair tool. So I just got out of the shower. I washed my hair with the Pantene shampoo, the hair superfood shampoo, and I used the mask, the Pantene Intensive Repair and Protect hair mask, and I highly recommend these two products. I wanted to show you these because I've been using these for the past few months, repurchased them a few times, and I think they are amazing. They are super affordable, but they are some of the best hair products I have ever used, and I definitely recommend them. But the first step for me is to apply a little bit of the Pantene Repair and Protect oil. It's the dry oil with vitamin E for damaged hair. It's a leave-in oil, again very good for your hair, makes it super smooth and soft. It smells amazing too. So I apply a few pumps of the oil, and actually I do use quite a lot of hair oil because my hair is very thick and it literally soaks the oil. So I apply the oil into my hair, and also I use a little bit of the L'Oreal LSF Extraordinary Oil, the oil in cream leave-in hair care for dry and rough hair. I add a little bit of this too to my hair, and what I do to achieve best results is just to leave my hair air dry for 15 to 20 minutes. Meanwhile, I can do a face mask, and this way my hair is not soaking wet when I blow dry it, and it's easier and way faster to blow dry it this way. And so it's been around 20 minutes. I let my hair air dry. I did my makeup obviously, and I always try to leave my hair air dry for at least 15 to 30 minutes because this way the oils have time to soak into your hair, and this is really good in my personal opinion when you have dry and very thick hair. And now to the product that I wanted to show you today. This is the Revlon Salon One-Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer. Power of a dryer, a volume of a styler, frizz-free, blow dries in up to half the time. So who doesn't want this? I discovered this product here on YouTube. I saw many videos reviewing this product, and especially one of the girls that I follow, Melissa Flores. I will link her video down below so you can check it out. I saw her reviewing and recommending this product, so YouTube made me buy this. I really wanted to try it for myself because I have a very long and very thick hair. It's straight, but it has a few waves and it's very frizzy, so I cannot just blow dry it and leave it like this. I always have to style my hair, but I don't want to use a flat iron always because it's very damaging for my hair. But my hair is still kind of straight, but I really suck at doing my hair, and I just cannot do these professional blowouts with big round brush. So when I saw this product, I just knew I really wanted it, and this is how it looks like. So it's a big round brush that blows hot air. It's quite huge, you can probably notice, but it's actually very lightweight, and I love that it has this big head brush. It also has very tiny bristles, and what I noticed that it's first super easy to use and it just glides into your hair. My biggest concern was that it will be hard to use it in my long thick hair because it will get stuck into my hair, but it's actually super easy to use. It has 3 modes. It has cold air, it has lower and higher power, and I would recommend it to use it on the second higher power. I sometimes use it on the lower power, but I think you can get better results when it's on the higher power. It can get quite hot, it's quite loud also, but it never burns my hair, so it's super easy to get closer to the roots of your hair. I've been using this brush for a few weeks now, and I just love it. I absolutely love it. That's why I wanted to do this review and to show it to you. I ordered it from Amazon. It's super affordable. Also, it costs $50 or 50 euros if you're in Europe like me. I'm super impressed how it works. It's super easy to use. It leaves your hair super straight, sleek and frizz-free, which was my biggest concern. So I love this product, and now I will show you how I use it. It's super easy. So I will first go with a detangling brush to brush out my hair, and then I go with this brush just like the way you use flat iron. I just section off my hair, I grab small pieces of hair and I go with this brush. And before going with the brush, I always make sure that I use a heat protectant spray, and this one is the heat protectant spray from Schwarzkopf. It provides 220 degrees Celsius heat protection, blow dry and flat iron. I really love it, and I always use it before using hot tools like this one. So now when my hair is detangled, I just section off my hair into 2 or 3 parts. I usually do bottom part, and I always start off with the bottom part of my hair. Today I have a really tiny mirror in front of me, which will probably make it slower for me today, but I will do my best. So if I'm looking down, I'm just trying to see what I'm doing. The heat protectant spray. And I turn this beautiful brush to second power. So now you can see my bottom part is done. It took me about 5-6 minutes, and if I'm not filming a video, I can even do it quicker. You can see that the hair is very straight and it feels so silky soft. And the best thing about this is that my hair is really smooth and frizz-free. So this is it. As I said, this brush is super easy to use, and I'm super happy with the results that I get with it. My hair feels very soft and frizz-free. It's very silky, and I love that my hair doesn't feel that hot and burnt like when you're using a flat iron. I still can feel the moisture in my hair. And I think this is the easiest, the quickest way to get your professional looking blowouts at home with this tool, that it's super affordable. That's why I highly recommend it. If you're thinking about getting this, I highly suggest you do, because it's the easiest thing to use. It's super quick, super easy. Always make sure to use heat protectant products in your hair, and I'm pretty sure you'll be super happy how your hair looks like. I think it's way faster with this brush because first I usually have to blow dry my hair for about 15 minutes and then go with a flat iron to achieve this. And with flat iron my hair is way more flatter, and with this I still have a lot of volume in my hair. I love it. I really love this brush. I already received so many compliments about how my hair looks after using this one. So for me, this is definitely worth it. You can totally achieve this professional salon looking blowout at home. And yeah, I think it's a great product. So I think this will be it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one, and hopefully I will see you in my next video. Ciao!